Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Apple Watch model and current watch OS so you grab the right fixes quickly. Next, verify the magnetic charger and cable. Swap chargers and outlets to rule out supply problems. Once done, force restart the watch by holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient issues. Finally, open Settings Battery to review battery health and recent usage, so you know whether software or hardware is the likely culprit. Now move into deeper steps. Update both the watch and paired iPhone to the latest watch OS and iOS to fix known bugs that drain power. Then, make targeted cuts. Turn off background app refresh, reduce screen wake, disable always on display if present, and limit GPS and workout tracking when not needed. These changes reduce power draw significantly. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch via the Watch app to create a clean configuration. This often resolves corrupt. Finish by resetting only settings or doing a full erase and restore if software repairs failed. This addresses stubborn configuration faults. If battery health shows a significant decline, schedule battery service or replacement through Apple or an authorized center. Hardware wear is irreversible. Make sure to test with a verified charger and monitor standby drain overnight to confirm improvement. If you still see rapid drain, bring diagnostic logs to service. That troubleshooting data speeds repair and pinpoints whether the issue is battery, board, or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.